G'day, here's a few pieces of boulder opal from central Queensland, Australia. The material's been wetted, the rule's in millimetres. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. Some of these pieces have just been thrown in as extras. Like that piece hasn't got a lot of colour. A little bit of a flash there. So it's priced on what I think the pieces could be worth rather than the number or the weight. Like that piece there, it needs to be ground off here. As you can see, they've come off bigger boulders. Pieces like this, perhaps you need to work out which way you want to do it, the cutting, and then proceed. This is the thing with boulder, quite often the best faces are these very small, fine faces, and you need to learn how to follow those. Like I say, some of the pieces have been thrown in. That piece, for example, you need to work out which way you're going to cut this and follow this seam, perhaps. It's a piece with a couple of faces on it there, and then you can see here the actual colour is probably under this. Might end up a nice stone. Interesting pattern and colour there. Other pieces like this are basically saying use them to get the feel for the cutting and following the patterns, the seams. Looks like this material, some of it's Koroite. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.